Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for all latest tech tutorials and tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into Uber Eats Business Partner Dashboard. Whether you are a restaurant owner or business partner managing your orders, this guide will help you access your account seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser. You can use the other browser you prefer. In the address bar, type restaurant.uber.com and press enter. Once you are on the Uber Eats for Business Partners login page, you will see fields to enter your email or phone number and your password. Go ahead and enter your credentials. You will be directed to the Uber Eats Business Partner dashboard. Here you can manage your restaurant's order, update menu items, view analytics and more. And that's it, you are now logged into the Uber Eats Business Partner dashboard. From here, you can efficiently manage your restaurant's presence on Uber Eats and handle all your business operations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Logging into your Uber Eats Business Partner account is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for managing your restaurant operations effectively. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.